Hello and welcome to this video on how I build a chimney cap to prevent rain from entering my chimney. Here I bolt it with concrete anchor screw. You see the house was using two pieces of tile and water still can enter in the chimney. Here you can see that I'm using 10 feet flashing cut into 24 inch and 2 inch by 10 feet edge stripper, and I use a right cut offset snip to cut these pieces. Then I use 1/2 inch metal screw and screw them together. Now we're ready to install the chimney cap onto the chimney, and I did apply a new coat of cement up here. It was worse before and it has crack around it, but I need to install the chimney cap to help prevent raining to enter the chimney. Here you can see the old two piece of tile just barely covering it. I couldn't find any size cap to cover this chimney, so this is a good do it yourself project. Thank you for watching this video on how I built the chimney cap. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. See you next time.